Okay, so here is the 2006 Amana window unit in the back bedroom of my grandparents' house. You can see this unit is still here and it still works, but I can't. There's the top. I can't turn it on right now because the GE in the living room is running. The Medea. There is the data plates. Then the GE is installed in my grandparents' room. But there is an Arctic King in the garage, which I have to film. Then here's the Encon ceiling fan. And a Polaroid camera, I believe that is. But I really have to see the condenser coil on this one. Okay, I'm back. Here's the Encon ceiling fan from the early, maybe late 1980s. And it still works, believe it or not. So, I might demonstrate it in this video, but I don't know. But the Amana, this unit right here was the first air conditioner that I've ever filmed. Besides my 2005 Tempstar, this is the first window unit that I've ever filmed. And I don't know if I can take it home. Well, it still works, so that's not going to happen. It's going to stay in this window. But the data sheet is covered by this tape right here, so I don't know if it's either, I think I'm going off the, let's see, I'm going off the model and serial number. Because this thing could also be from 2010, but model number is ACB065R. Then serial number is 0010554500. So it's either from 2006, 2009, or 2010. And then, here's the railroad back there, which I have to film the last go out there too, but just check the filter and the evaporator coil on it. Filter is fine. This is the original. Look at that condenser coil, man. Holy. Yeah. When I get my hands on this thing needs to freaking clean. Holy. But this air conditioner has a Panasonic rotary compressor. And the GE, which I have to film, is the GE 5000 BTU, not the Medea. The 5000 BTU one in my grandparents' bedroom that replaced the Kenmore. Yeah, this panel's broken. I gotta fix that. It has a Gree rotary compressor, not a a Queen Gang rotary. So it has the same compressor as the Medea in the living room, which is, I think, is very interesting because I got here, I went to, and I was so excited to see the freaking condenser on it. And it's not a new unit, it's a used unit. That's why the condenser coil is kind of beat. I have a video of it, I just gotta upload it. I might put it into this one. But I also gotta film the Medea, and I got to film this side of the little 5000 BTU. And I have 2 started videos of the Medea in the living room, so those are my only videos going to be on the Medea until I can actually film it. But I actually have to film the GE and see what year it's from. You following me? Yeah, I had my dog over for Father's Day. But I'm gonna make a separate video of the GE in my grandparents' room. But for now, I'm gonna demonstrate the Incon here. Turn off the light. I believe that's high speed. I'm really surprised the thing still runs. And it sounds the same as it did the last time I used it. This thing hasn't ran since the last time I played with it. So is that. That thing hasn't ran since last summer. Which I need to start that thing up. I need to get that fluid running in it. But I can't because the GE is running, and if I turn that one on when the Medea is running, it'll pop a breaker, I think. But let's turn it down. Believe that's medium. This is CEO model. Hold on a second. It's an Encon Energy Conservant. At least that's what the pull chain says. If my camera will focus on it. These pull chains are actually original. Come on. Focus. There we go. You can see it right there. Encon. Okay. There we go. Let's turn off the light. And we'll bring it down. Because the speed that this thing ran on the most is high speed. So this thing barely runs on all three, so I think this is the first time this thing has ran on all three speeds since probably brand new, but as you can see, it still works, and it's a really good sailing fan. I actually really like it. I like it better than my Hunter low profile, but it's gonna get changed out, so let's turn it off. But yeah, I'm gonna upload the video of the condenser side of the 5000 BTU. I might put this video in. No, I'm not. I'm gonna upload this video, then I'm gonna film the front of the 5000 BTU, see what year it's from. And this is a 14-year-old air conditioner, believe it or not. So it's either from 2006, 2009, or 2010. It can't be from 2010 or 2009 because it's freaking, it's a 14-year-old unit. And it came with a remote as well, which is surprising in itself, but that's a really good freaking unit. I love it. But yeah, until then, I'm gonna make the startup video in probably next month or so. I don't know when I'm gonna get that thing started, but